outside, brah. It's too cold out here.
Don't you want to see what you believe in? Or does it hurt too much?
I've seen it all, Mason. Fuck. I've seen enough. Hey, kid. Hang me for a while. We all know Yank can cook. But I can't cook to save my life. I can't even cook to save your life, kid. But my sandwich is good, though. You want one?
Nah. What type of gun is that?
Take a look at this.
Jesus Christ, Jade, why the fuck would you give her that?
Relax, it's not like it's loaded.
What kind of man gives a handgun to a child?
Education is the key to everything. I don't be swearing in front of her.
Go to your bedroom, sweetie.
Bye, Jade.
Listen, I'm taking my money with me. And you're still welcome to come.
I'm staying where I belong. I don't scare off easily. Showing her that gun? That was in poor taste. You don't deserve this city anymore.
If I don't leave now, I'll be here forever.
Oh, but you're supposed to die here, Jade. Remember that?
Listen, I don't give speeches anymore, all right? May, do me a favor. Go upstairs, put something tight on, splash some water on you, make it look like you've been working up a sweat. And I'll deal with you after I'm done my sandwich.
This is Cement City News.
Police are encouraging people to stay indoors tonight after an exchange of gunfire with two suspects. Both men escaped earlier today from county lockup. They are known affiliates of local urban gangs and are considered armed and dangerous.
What the fuck is going on? I trust you. As my friend. My brother. I turn on the news, and everything is going up! You see me outside.
It's a war of attrition, Jade. What do you expect me to do?
Are you fucking crazy?
City's already burning. What's it gonna be?
I can't stay, but I can't leave like this!
You're retired, remember?